Welcome everybody, my name is Ben with Master Spas and Chili Goats. We're starting a series of how-to videos so that you can make operation of your chili goat in your facility or home much easier. Next video in our series is how to properly take the filter out, clean it, and put it back in without causing your own problems. Biggest problem we see is people don't unplug the unit, they don't power down. So if you have some lint or a hairball or something on that filter, when you take the filter out and the circulation pump is still pulling, you could pull that junk into your own chiller, creating your own problems. So that's what we're going to avoid. We're going to unplug it, power down first, then we're going to remove the filter weir. Simple pulls up, give it a shake, take your filter out. I keep the net handy and close by so that if something pulls out of that filter, I can quickly scoop it up. All set. We have not dragged any junk into our chiller. A couple of key points on your filter. One is you need the highest pressure you could possibly get. So ultimately you want a hose with a sprayer, something that's going to increase that pressure to really get in there and get that clean. You also, if these are not cleaned properly, you can have flow codes, okay? So if you have a chili goat that's operating and everything is normal, and then all of a sudden it's not cooling, number one culprit is a dirty filter. And even if you're giving it a rinse here and there, that may not be enough. So you can either replace that filter or you can get filter cleaner like you would from a hot tub and soak this and break all that junk down and sort of refresh it. So just keep in mind, number one thing that we hear, tub isn't cooling. Why? Filter, almost always the culprit. It's very rare that we actually have a real problem. Now we've got our filter, it's freshly rinsed. We're gonna put it back in the same way we did on the startup. We're gonna fill it with water. Gently thread it in. Filter weir. Now we're ready to go. And just like on startup, we're gonna verify that we have water flow, which we do. And then we're gonna wait another second. Now I've got air coming out the side. Water flow, air, good to go.